This is Francine from My Country Life. Today I want to talk about how to make a mask. I'll be very quick, so it's not supposed to take too long. It's very simple. Now I'm going to show you the one I made already. This is mine. I chose the material I had, so blue jays on it. See that? And the elastic, the way I make it, it goes around like this. Not around the ears, I'm just not very fond of that, but this one goes around you see, you loop it, it goes around, okay? So I got a lining inside, okay, but I'll show you the step I made to make it. Now, I started to, first of all, it's like this one here. I sewed like this, okay? Then you can zigzag it to just be sure it doesn't thread. The lining the same too. You sew it here, okay? So, and this is my pattern, by the way. I took my pattern at blueprint.com, and I find it so easy. I love this one. I have two patterns that they have there, but I chose this one. I make more of this one than the other one. The other one is I don't have it with me. It's a rectangular one, okay, the one that you tie with in the back instead of have elastic. So this one, you see, I chose a tutti frutti one, okay. See, a Batman on one side, and the other side blue jay. I'm starting to run out of cloth, but anyway. And the lining, okay. So what it does when you sew them together, you sew them back to back, you know, the right side on the right side, okay. And it does that. See, this is, you see one side, it's inside out, okay. See, the right side to the right side, you see, like this, you know. And then once it's sewed on the top here, I sewed it on top and the bottom, okay. And then the reason why I did that is because I want to turn it the right side up. See, I didn't sew the edge, the end here is not sewed yet. So I'm gonna go bring it back in, okay, this, okay, and it's almost done. It is very quick. You see what it looks like when it's the right side up, so I will turn it right here. Okay, now I got a Garfield one. Who likes Garfield? I had some that like Garfield. Okay, so you see what it looks like when it's turned the right side up? See? That's what it looks like. And the ending here, the ending, I did like this here. You see? You fold it. You fold it wide enough here so the elastic can get through it. It's a 1/4 of an inch of elastic I use. But I use another one with elastic like this. A round elastic. You see that? Okay? Because I'm running out of elastic. That's another reason. But I'm going to receive some more. I have some orders that the people wants me to make some masks for them. So I had to get more elastics, more cloth. And lots of them likes the Batman one. Batman, the comics, you know. So that's why I got the leftover of the Batman on that. That's the one I got. I made some for my husband, some for my son, one of my sons, and the other one's got butterflies on. But this is the way you do it. The ending here, I'll just move it here, the camera right here, is that you fold it, you know, like this, fold it like this, okay, and then fold it again, wide enough. See how I'm doing it? I'll do it again. You fold it like this, then you fold again like this. Then you sew on the edge here, because you want to have room to put your elastic inside here and go around like this and go the other side. Is the same thing you do. You do the same thing. Now, and that's the way the mask is. That's about it. There's not much to it. Unless you want to be sure that this doesn't move around, the lining here, you can sew through like this, but that's it. It ends up being like this one here. This one is plaited one. This is another one. That's what it looks like when it's finished. Okay? I put blue inside and my ending. I didn't put elastic on that one, but they will eventually have one. So that's it for today. I showed this kind of pattern. It's like I said, I took it on blueprint.com's website. And because I'm a member with them, that's why I said, oh, I had it for free. So I printed it. Easy. If you want to go there and get the pattern, and she's got even a video that she shows how to do it. I've been suggested to do a video for you to show you that you can make it different ways. Mine is, like I said, I showed this one so often, and I didn't have a chance to really wear it for saying, because around here I'm often home and everything, and if I go to the shopping, well, they don't, here in the area they don't reinforce it, but because we got almost no cases. But that's another pair of sleeve, okay? So anyway, you have fun making it. See you next time. Put a likes to it. And then, yes, subscribe. You have a good day. Bye-bye.